Hey guys, what's up? Back with another video. Today I'll be talking about how to make your overnight oats, which is pretty much the secret to getting a bigger body, increasing your bulk journey by miles and kgs instantaneously. So, like couple weeks ago, I found out that there's a thing called overnight oats, and that just sounded so fun to me, just making my own thing like the night before and in the morning you eat it. That sounds like a responsibility, and I was like up for that responsibility, so it sounds like more mature of a decision to do. It just sounded more fun to eat overnight oats, so I decided to research on how to make the best overnight oats. So how to get the most protein with a protein powder, and how to get the most calories in a clean way, no unhealthy stuff. So I figured out a recipe, and you guys can just check it out and tell me in the comments down below if it's good or not, and you can try it as well. I eat it every single day in the morning, and let's go to the kitchen and let's see how it looks like, guys. So we are at the kitchen right now. We got our bowl and place it down. If you guys don't have like a weight machine, then I will recommend you guys to buy one, because it really helps out like measuring all the units and grams of like the milk and oats and everything else. So I really recommend buying one of these. You can buy it off Amazon for like, it's not that expensive, like it's pretty cheap, like $10 at max. First, we're gonna put the bowl on the machine, get our milk. We will put like 250 grams of milk right now. And after you put the milk, you put 75 grams of oats in the milk, where all the calories on all the protein comes in. Next up, we have some chia seeds. This is my own personal favorite for this dish, or whatever you want to call this. This helps you with digestion and like other health benefits. So like just a tablespoon of chia seeds is good enough, not more than that. After you have put your chia seeds, it's time for some yogurt. You don't want to go overboard with the yogurt. It's only for creaminess and just some extra taste. It doesn't add that much calories or protein. So we just want just 50 grams of yogurt. Now we're done preparing our overnight oats. We mix it up so it's ready for overnight in the fridge, and this just takes some time. The good thing about this meal is that it takes really less time to meal prep. Like at max, like you just saw, it takes like less than 2 minutes to make this. Now that we are done with mixing it up, we're gonna put this in the fridge overnight. That's what it's called, overnight oats. And I'm gonna leave that there for like 10 hours or like 9 hours or 8 hours depending, and we'll see that in the morning. Now it has been 10 hours or it's overnight. We can get it out. It should be looking like this, and now we can add bananas, dates, and more stuff to make it more tasty. So the first ingredients are gonna be 2 bananas. This will give more calories and more taste to the oats. You can quickly put it like this. You can get the banana in your hand and just like chop it up with your spoon. Okay, after the bananas have been added, we're going to add 3 dates, and we're gonna pit the dates when I remove the seeds out. And I like to put it in threes, so I remove like 3 parts of 1 date, so there's like more quantity of eating it. So like 1, 2, and like a third. And just do this for all 3 dates, and this will enhance the taste, give like more protein and calories as well. So yeah, the last thing, we're going to add some honey. If you don't have honey, it's fine. I just like to put honey just because of the added taste. It makes it more tasty, makes it more sweet, and it's natural, so it's clean. Just add 10 grams of honey, no more than that, that'll be too much. And this is a secret tip for my viewers especially. You can add some cinnamon powder to make it like really tasty. So just add a bit of cinnamon powder and it make it really more like, just enhance the taste like a lot. Add like a just like a sprinkle it. Now that you have made your overnight oats, it should be looking like this, and it's gonna be really tasty, like eat it like right now or something. And if you guys want to know the macros and protein and calories, whatever it is, it's up on screen right here. And that's about it for this video. You can add a little more stuff to it, like protein powder. If you have protein powder available, add it. It'll give more protein, calories, and all that good stuff. And you can add peanut butter as well. I really don't like adding peanut butter to my meals because of the acne issue and inflammatory and oil. And so you can add peanut butter if you want at your own like choice. It'll improve the macros, like it'll boost the protein and calories as well. So that's about it for this video. I hope you guys liked the video, and have a nice meal, bro. See you.